Hello everyone, welcome back. So if you watched my mail call ×2 video, you would have seen that my buddy Danny from over at TNDeer Stalker Outdoors had sent me some chert that he had dug up while he was doing his garden on his property in Tennessee. And I wanted to show you this, how well this stuff sparks. Amazing stuff. All goes to show you, you can pretty much find chert everywhere. And this is quartz. Just great stuff. Now, the subject of the video. He also found this point, stone point, and it has some damage. It was broken off at the bottom, broken off at the top, the point. A couple little divots on the sides. And let me just preface this by saying I am not a flint knapping expert. I am an extreme amateur. I just play around. If you're interested in seeing on how to do, make a stone arrowhead, there's plenty of professional guys out there that'll give you all the tips and the tricks. But, and this may be taboo, taking a real artifact and reworking it, but our ancestors did that. They would turn broken spear points into hafted scrapers. They would take regular points that they made for arrows, and they would work them back down again, put points on them and sharpen them up. So it's not like it was never done. So I'm going to try to make this a little more not broken. So what I got here is just 2 pieces of leather. I'll show you a little bit of it, and I'll probably do most of it off of camera because I like to kind of hold it deep in my lap, and I don't know if I'm going to be able to film it too much. But so normally it's held like this, and I have a pressure flaker here. I'll put links in the description to the mail call video and to me making this tool, and I have this bopper which we're not going to be using because we don't need it. It's a whole thing with platforms and shelves and abrasive rocks and stuff. But I'll just give you a quick example. So you see this side here, how uneven that is? I'm going to hold it like this because I want you to be able to see what I'm doing. See, I already made that a lot straighter. Hopefully you can see that. See all the little tiny flakes that you get off of it? And you could also use this method to sharpen chert for your flint and steel. As you can see, it's getting a lot straighter. So I'll do some more work on this, and then I'll bring you back and I'll show you what it looks like. All right, so I finished it. Take a look. Hopefully that shows up. So I didn't do any work on the base. That's past my skill level here. It was a clean snap here. I have a problem when it's very thick like that, trying to thin it out. And I really didn't want to ruin the integrity of what it was and the size it was. I just kind of wanted to clean up the sides and, make it pointy again. Again, not trying to fool anybody, fake anybody. There are guys out there that professionally restore valuable stone artifacts. A new base could be put on this. I was actually thinking of that, getting another piece similar and trying to knap it to fit the base. But I actually think I like it just the way it is there. Just a little bit of work that I did on it. Hopefully that's all showing up. I'll tell you what, besides if you looked at it with a microscope and saw traces of copper on the sides, you wouldn't, if you picked that up in a field, you'd probably think that it was the way it was. And again, not trying to fool anybody, just trying to make something that was a little beat up into a nicer display piece. So there you have it. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Hopefully professional nappers out there don't come and bash me. But I like messing around with stuff like that. When I get a nice piece of chert, you know, a decent size that I could actually spool off a piece, I'm gonna make my own arrowhead, you know, from scratch. So I think I kind of honed my skills enough to kind of, you know, get the shape. Obviously you saw with this one. So but there you go, folks. Danny, I'm gonna actually send this back to you, brother. I want you to keep this in your family. You found this on your property. You know, you can give it to you know, one of your nieces, nephews, grandkids, kids, whatever you want to do with it. It's yours, brother. I did this for you. So I'm going to get this in the mail back to you. Hopefully you enjoy it. And I want to thank everyone for watching. I appreciate your views and I appreciate your comments. And I hope you all are having a great, great day. And we'll see you on the next one.